this tutorial, we are going to need wool thread, scissors, rubber band, barbecue stick, mousse, and sheen spray. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 strands of wool. Like at the end of this video, you're going to know why I did use 8 strands. So we put the barbecue at the center of it, then we twine it around like twice, then we hold that part in the middle, and then you start twining the hair or wrapping the hair around the barbecue stick, making sure it's very firm and secure, so that when we are done with the hair, we'll have a very good coils. So we just keep doing that till we get to the end. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, or you're returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button, so that when next I upload a new video, YouTube will instantly notify you. Yes, and share the video with whoever needs to watch. And let me know what you think about this creation in the comment section. Like, this is a masterpiece. So we secure the end with a rubber band so that it doesn't lose, and with the same barbecue stick, I'm still going to insert the hair. I secure it down like that, and I start twisting and wrapping around. And one thing with me, when creating my videos, I always make sure that the video is so detailed and self-explanatory, so that even if I don't have to do a voiceover, just watching, you will get to understand everything. So I'm just going to leave you guys to continue watching, and then if there is any part where I need to come in and explain, I'll definitely come back. So keep watching, and I'll see you later. At this point, I am trimming the hair by framing my face, and I'll also go ahead and trim it behind to make sure the hair is even. And voila, this is what we have right here. I did love this hair, how it turns out, like it's so beautiful, guys. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Is this something you're going to try? Let me know. And I want to mention that this inspiration or this video was inspired by Lovett Speak. I saw her, she did the same thing on her channel, but she did use expression braiding hair. So I just wanted to go out of my way and do something different. Reason why I use this Brazilian wool that I have in the house. So if you did love this video, subscribe, like, share, and see you in my next one. Bye.